Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Slides. To know how to find a solution about Google Slides problems, you should just go to Settings. After that, we click Apps, Default Apps, App Settings. Here in this page, you will enter to the window of Google Slides and you click here in this page and you click. Then this page of app info, you click on first stop and you click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you click clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.